Tired of drowning in Google Ads data and manual tasks? This video will show you how to connect Google Ads to Zapier and automate your workflow in just a few simple steps, unlocking a world of efficiency. First, head over to Zapier and log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Next, click on the Create Zap button. This will start the process of building your automated workflow. Now, select Google Ads as your trigger app. This tells Zapier that you want to start the automation based on something that happens in Google Ads. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger event. This is the specific action in Google Ads that will kick off the automation. Common options include new lead form entry, new click, or new conversion. For our example, let's choose new lead form entry. Click Continue and then connect your Google Ads account to Zapier. You'll be asked to grant Zapier permission to access your Google Ads data. This is necessary for Zapier to monitor your account for the chosen trigger event. After connecting your account, you'll need to specify which Google Ads account and lead form do you want to monitor. Select the relevant options from the drop-down menus. Now, it's time to choose your action at the app where you want to send the information from Google Ads. This could be anything from a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot to an email marketing platform like MailChimp. For this demo, let's send the data to a Google Sheet. Select Google Sheets, and then choose an action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google Sheets account, just like you did with Google Ads. Then, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet where you want the new lead form data to be added. Finally, map the data from your Google Ads lead form fields to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. This tells Zapier which pieces of information to send where. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you're happy with the setup, turn on your Zap. Now, whenever someone submits a lead form in Google Ads, the data will automatically be added to your Google Sheet, and that's it. You've successfully connected Google Ads to Zapier. Now explore other ways to automate your marketing.